Welcome back to Apnology. I am Khushal and today we will see how to get the 1 year subscription of Google Gemini at free of cost. If you are a college student in India, I have got some exciting news for you today. Google is offering a free 1 year subscription to its premium Gemini AI Pro plan, valued at 19,500. That's right. Access to cutting-edge AI tools to supercharge your studies and projects. Stick around as I walk you through the simple steps to claim this incredible offer. Let's see. With the Gemini AI Pro plan, you shall unlock unlimited homework help, personalized exam preparation, advanced writing assistance, access to Gemini 2.5 Pro, deep research capabilities, Veo 3 fast for video generation, NotebookLM for enhanced note taking, 2 TB of Google Cloud storage. All of these absolutely free for the 12 months. To qualify for this offer, you need to meet the following criteria. First, be a college student in India. Second, be 18 years or older. Sign up by the September 30, 2025. Add a valid payment method during the sign up process. Don't worry, your card won't be charged during the free trial. For claim this offer, you need to simply perform the few steps. First, go to the description and click on the link which is provided in the description. And then you will see the interface like this. Up here you can see the verify eligibility. For getting this offer, you should be verify yourself first. Then just click on the verify eligibility. Then next you need to fill some basic your personal details as like your country name as usual India, and then the establishment educational name. It's normally your college name basically, and then your first name and then last name. And then you should fill the date of birth and the email address on which you want to get the Gemini Pro offer. And after filling all the details, just click on the verify my student status. After it, you will be showed on the screen that is sign into my academic institution. Just click on it. Here you need to put your email ID which is you used earlier. Then simply write here. Then verify your device by unlock it and just continue all the above information to access the Google. And then after it you will be see the interface like this, on which you need to upload your proof of enrollment. Now here you can upload your student ID card or the fee receipt of the college or something enrollment or something valid proof of you have the student of any recognized university or college. Then simply scan with your phone and upload here. The format is simple. You can upload image, and after uploading it, just click on the submit button, and here you will be need to wait at least 1 to 2 minutes for the processing. 8 to time you will be verified, and after you've been verified, just click on the get Google AI Pro. Click on it, and after you will see the Gemini's offer for the students in college. Just click on the get student offer. It's the next most important step, that is add autoplay, that is payment. Any of you asking me for that step? You can go through all about the options as like add card, pay with UPI, redeem code, pay on your phone. I recommend you to go through the pay on your phone. Just click on it, pay on your phone, and after it you will be get the pop-up of confirmation. Just click on the got it, a notification on your phone number that uses the same email ID. Just click on the continue, and you will be jump onto this your UPI app as like PhonePe or Google Pay. I personally suggest go with PhonePe or Google Pay. Just click on the continue, accept it, and then choose your payment app. Simply after some steps you will see the interface like this. That is your starting subscription date, the amount, and below it show the subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button, and then after it you will be see the final payment information like the start of your offer, your subscription, and end of your free trial, and start of the auto pay. And you need to set auto pay. Auto pay is nothing but after your free trial they will charge you the actual amount of their product. But I have some amazing idea, so you should not give them a single rupee. Okay, I tell you in the later. First, in here just click on the set auto pay. After click on the set auto pay, the 2 rupees is debited on your account, and that will be re-credited after few time. That's it. Okay. After now you refresh the page, you will see the URL already subscribed. Just go to the manage path, and here you will see what you gain by this offer. Here are some benefits that you be subscribed, that you be given as like 2 TB of storage, then Gemini app with the 2.5 Pro and limited access to VO3, then Flow with the internet access to VO3, then Flow with the limited access to VO3, then Whisk with the VO2, then 100 month AI credits, also NotebookLM with the higher smiths, and much more. That means you successfully claim the Gemini AI Pro offer. And to show that, you just need to go to the browser and type gemini.google.com, and you will be see the you successfully claim the Gemini AI Pro. Here is your name, and the logo of Pro is associated with your profile image. Okay, the last but not least instruction, very important. Deactivate the subscription before expiring your free subscription. Otherwise, the amount of the next subscription is debited by your account. So that's it. You are all set to harness the power of Gemini AI Pro for your academic journey. Remember, the deadline to claim this offer is September 30, 2025. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to enhance your learning experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your college friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have the questions or need assistance, just drop a comment below. I am here to help. Stay connected with us on the social media for the latest updates and tech news. See you in the next video. Still, build the logic, grow together.